So my argument is that it's almost impossible to get a soft landing. And if you think about how the Federal Reserve functions, it's a debating club. And debating clubs are not known to make fast decisions. And we saw that really unforgivable thing of hiking rates too late. And it's because they couldn't agree. And by the way, the only retrospection we've had is that, oh, everybody else also put it wrong, and then it's really not our problem. Well, it is a serious problem, and unfortunately, none of the major central banks have addressed that and really looked into how to fix that fundamental issue. But ultimately, they have the bazooka, so it doesn't matter whether we complain, we have to deal with it. Well, the Federal Reserve is haunted by the stagflation of the 1970s. 1970s, they lowered rates too quickly when the economy came down, inflation had another burst, and there was all this nightmare that then followed for the Federal Reserve until Paul Volcker raised rates quite dramatically. And just as a reminder, when Volcker beat inflation, he didn't get inflation down to 2%. He got it down to 4-ish, and then it took several years to come down further. And of course, the Federal Reserve is not going to say we only want the inflation down to 4% because that creates another host of issues. But still, the mindset is, oh my God, we don't want to be early in lowering rates. So unlike in a previous economic cycle, they're not going to lower rates at the first hint that the economy is getting weaker. Instead, they're going to be doing late.